Have $500 to invest and want to turn it into $5,000? Today I'll walk you through 5 practical, relatively low-risk ways to multiply $500 in 2025 with step-by-step actions you can take right now. Some of these are active, they need time. Others are more passive. Combine 2 and you'll have multiple growth channels. Method 1. High-value freelance gigs, 0.35 to 130. Show Fiverr/Upwork gig pages. Use your $500 to buy tools or courses that let you offer higher-value freelance services, e.g., a copywriting mini course plus templates. Charge $200 to $500 per client. Land 3 to 5 clients, and you've hit $5,000. The key: package deliverables so you can deliver fast. Action: buy the course or templates, create 2 portfolio pieces, and pitch 10 clients in 1 week. Buy undervalued items locally, electronics, sneakers, collectibles, and flip them on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. $500 can become $2,000 if you find a few good flips. Research resale value and fees first. Action: spend $200 on inventory, list items professionally, and reinvest profits. Method 3. Short-term trading or options with education. 2:15 to 3 o'clock. Show broker app, risk disclaimer. Trading is risky, so only do this after education. Use $500 as a learning capital with clear stop losses and small position sizes. Many turn $500 into more through disciplined swing trades, but be careful and never risk what you can't afford to lose. Action: paper trade 1 month, then trade small positions for 2 weeks. Method 4. Build a micro-niche Shopify store, 3 to 350. Show product mockup, Shopify dashboard. Create a focused dropshipping or print-on-demand store. Use $500 for domain, store setup, and a small ad test. If one product converts, scale ads. This model can go from $0 to $5,000 quickly on a winning product. Action: pick a micro-niche. Create 5 to 10 product mockups. Run $50 per day ads for 7 days to test. Method 5. Affiliate funnels plus paid ads, 350 to 440. Show funnel diagram, landing page. Use $500 to run paid traffic to a high-commission affiliate offer. Action: build a 1-page funnel and test with a $50 ad split test. Pick one method and commit for 30 days. Small, consistent steps beat random hustle. Comment which method you want a 30-day blueprint for and subscribe to Wealth Hustle Hub.